So what you can also do is you can add anchors in emails inside of Thunderbird. So to do that, you need to go around and click on new email right here. And then what you can do is you can go ahead and add in anchors in emails as you want. Let's say, for example, I'm going to say this is a paragraph right here, just like this. This is a paragraph, just like this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and copy this and paste this around right here to create multiple lines right here, just like this. And I'm going to go around, press enter right here, paste this out right here, and you can see that I got multiple paragraphs of this right here, just like this. So now let's say I want a link right here. So let's say, for example, I want it to link to this particular paragraph right here. So now I'm going to go around and say link sample right here, for example. So now over here, what I need to do is utilize something called an anchor. So to do that, I'm simply going to select this particular text right here. Let me just bold it out to make it distinct. And then I'm going to insert an anchor right here. So you can see that this is the anchor name. So I'm just going to go around and say paragraph as the name right here, and I'm going to press OK. So once I do that, I can go ahead onto the link sample section right here. Then I can right click right here, and then not right here. So you can see that I don't need to right click, but I need to select this right here, and then I need to go around over here and then click on link. So once I do that, over here on the link location section, I can simply right click and I can see the anchors that I have right here, which starts with a hashtag. You can directly type in the hashtag and add in paragraph as well. And this is what you have, as you can see. So let me just go around and send this email out to someone right here, just like this. I'm simply going to say sample right here and hit the send button to actually see how the anchors actually work. So now it's actually going around, and then I'm going to go around onto the send mail section right here to actually see the sample email that I have right here. And as I click, you can see that it jumps to that particular paragraph right here. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize as many anchors as you want inside of emails. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.